We are going to make a cootie catcher. For that, we need a square piece of paper. Because I have a rectangular piece of paper, I'm going to make a square piece of paper out of a rectangular piece of paper. For that, we fold it like this, and we have to cut the piece that we won't need. So you take the scissors and cut that piece out. Next, if you unfold the piece of paper, you will see that we have a next square piece of paper, and it has a kind of a line in the middle. So what we are going to do is fold it following that line. So you take both ends and you fold it like that. And when we open it, we are going to have a kind of an X. Okay, so now we take the corners and we fold them into the center, one by one, and very carefully. After we do that, you're going to see we have a kind of a smaller X. So next, we are going to flip it over and fold the corners again into the center. Once you do that, you can fold it in half, and again you press it so that you get the shape of the cootie catcher, and you can open it and see that underneath the little squares you have a space to put your fingers. So you start putting your fingers underneath the flaps you see there, like this, and you can start playing with the cootie catcher. As you can see, our cootie catcher is blank. But here is another one we've done previously, and you can see we have painted each of the sections, and underneath we have written an action. So you can start playing with the cootie catcher like this. You ask somebody to tell you a number. For example, 4. So you open the cootie catcher 4 times, and then you ask that person to choose one of the colors. So the person might say red. We open the red flap, and underneath we see that the action is whistle. So that person has to whistle. In our case, we have painted our cootie catcher with the colors blue, red, then we have blue dots, red dots, blue lines, red lines, blue waves, and red waves. Underneath, our actions are sing, whistle, run, clap, walk, smile, jump, and wink. You can obviously paint it with different colors and add different actions.